do-it-yourself project to build a smart lock using one transistor. Today we will show you how to design your secure smart lock with a 4-digit pin combination. You need a few components and follow our circuit to get started. We will show you the magic of analog electronic circuits in this series of videos. You will learn how to use transistor logic to design interesting circuits. Let's get started with the basic concepts of this design. Today we will use one transistor and a few more passive components to design this circuit. The switch combinations will unlock the circuit. Like always, it's safe to take a few precautions. If you are less than 16, do it under adult supervision. So, to get started, let's gather a few components and tools to start our project. PCR 406 Thyristor. BC 547 transistor. 1000 UF capacitor. 10 UF capacitor. 5 tactile dip switches. Buzzer. Resistance. LED. Jumper wires. Let's proceed sequentially. Working of the system. 1, 3, 2, 4. Main construction. Connect 180K resistance to the fourth switch. Connect 220 ohm resistance to the other side of the switch. Connect 5.1K ohm resistance to the gate of the thyristor. Connect a 220 ohm resistance from positive rail to anode of thyristor. Connect a jumper from cathode to base of BC 547. Connect emitter of BC 547 to ground. Connect a 1K resistance from positive supply to the anode, plus, of lead and cathode of LED to collector of BC 547. Connect a 220 ohm resistance from positive supply to the positive pin of buzzer and negative of the buzzer to the collector of BC 547. Connect a wire from the negative supply to the switch and another side of the switch to the gate of thyristor. Connect the wiring amongst the switches. These are the capacitors necessary to build the circuit. Let's place them on the board. Please check if you have connected all the wires carefully in the system. You can rewind the video or you can refer to the circuit diagram also. Connect a 9 volts battery or a 12 volts adapter to the circuit and test it. This is an interesting project that you can design to secure your system. You can use them as locks, and for many other purposes.